Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing a tutorial on this makeup look. It's quite simple and easy, so just keep watching. I generally start off by cleansing my face with a wet wipe. All the products that I've used in this makeup look are mentioned below in the description box, so please check it out. Next, I use this moisturizer and apply it all over my face. For this look, I've used the same moisturizer as my primer. Using a concealer to conceal all the pigmentation that I have around my eyes and any dark spots that I have on my face. Next, I'm taking one of my most favorite foundation of all time and I'm applying a very thin layer of this foundation all over my face. I love this foundation because it gives a very dewy and very natural finish to your skin. Now I'm blending everything out with a damn beauty blender. Setting my entire face with a loose powder. This loose powder is a very lightweight. Next up, I'm using this blush and I'm applying this blush all over my cheeks like this. I personally love this blush because it gives such a beautiful flush of color to your cheeks. For my eyebrows, I like to keep it very simple. I just use a spoolie and set my brows in place. For contouring, I like to start from the hollows of my cheeks, my nose, my forehead and my jawline. I love how the face looks sculpted after contouring. For the eyes, I wanted to do a smoky liner, so I took the lightest shade of brown and I applied it all over my crease like this. Then I took a darker shade of brown and applied it all over my lids in a windshield wiper motion like this. Lastly, I took a very dark shade of brown and I smudged it all over my lash line to give a nice smoky effect to the eyes. I'm then curling my lashes and applying some mascara. To complete the look, I decided to go for a nude brown lipstick that goes very well with the smoky liner that we just did. Lastly, I'm using a highlighter to highlight all the high points of my face like my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose and the arch of my eyebrows. And here is the final look. I completely love the look, the base, the smoky liner, the nude lip. This is basically my version of latte makeup. Here is how the makeup looks in natural light. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Thanks for watching and please do show some love on my new channel. Do like, share and subscribe and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.